Welcome to this explainer. In the world of AI, a single bad decision can have massive consequences. But what happens when those consequences follow you home? Today, we're breaking down the hidden costs of AI and the very real personal liability that corporate leaders are now facing. Okay, before we dive in, just a quick but really important heads up. This is part 3 of a 10-part brief overview, and it's all based on a comprehensive research report by Virtualization Options LLC. So we're really just scratching the surface here. And of course, please remember this is not legal advice and it comes with no warranty. For that, you absolutely need to talk to qualified legal professionals who know the rules in your area. So let's get right to it. We're tackling a huge question today, one that every single executive and board member should be asking. When that big, expensive AI project goes south, who's actually on the hook? It's not just the company's problem anymore. That liability can follow you home. We're stepping into a completely new era of risk. You know, those traditional legal shields that have protected directors and officers for years? Well, they're starting to get some serious cracks, especially when it comes to making big calls on complex technology like AI. Okay, let's break this down. For a long time, something called the business judgment rule was kind of like a safety net. As long as you made a decision in good faith, you were probably covered. But that's changing. With AI, the new reality is all about the duty of oversight. This demands that you are actively investigating the risks. Just signing off on a proposal? Nope, that's not going to cut it anymore.
So the really crucial thing to get your head around is how this all leads to personal risk. This isn't some vague, distant threat. There are very specific legal pathways that are now being used to hold leaders personally accountable.
And the research from Virtualization Options really zeroes in on 4 key paths that can lead you, as an executive or a board member, directly into hot water. Let's walk through each one of them. First up, breach of fiduciary duty. Now, this is your most basic job, to act in the best long-term interest of the company. If you chase those quick short-term gains with a risky AI strategy while ignoring the obvious long-term damage, you're walking right into a personal liability claim. Next is failure of oversight, and this one is a big deal in the courts right now. It comes from something called the Caremark Doctrine. And this isn't about judging your business decision after the fact. It's about whether you made sure the company had the right systems in place to spot major risks in the first place. Just listening to a rosy PowerPoint presentation from management is not enough. You have to be actively engaged. The third path is employment discrimination. Think about it. If your company uses an AI system for hiring or promotions and it ends up having a biased outcome, leadership can be held responsible. And the key phrase here is knew or should have known. You can't just claim ignorance. The law says you had a duty to investigate whether that bias might exist. And finally, number 4 is a classic: securities fraud. This one is pretty straightforward. What you tell investors and the public has to match what's actually happening inside the company. If you're on an earnings call raving about your new AI, but the internal reports are a sea of red flags, well, you are personally at risk. All right, I know these legal ideas can feel a little abstract, so let's make it real. We're going to look at a case study from the report that shows exactly how these risks can blow up in the real world. It all kicks off in a place we all recognize, the boardroom. A new AI automation project gets the green light, and the numbers look incredible. We're talking a projected $127 million in savings every single year. On paper, it looks like a total no-brainer. But then, reality hits. The new AI system goes live, and the product defect rate just explodes. It jumps from under 2% all the way to over 7%. Quality completely tanks. And you know what happens next? Customers notice, orders get canceled, the company's reputation takes a nosedive. The market's reaction is just swift and brutal. The stock price collapses, down 68%. Now just let this number sink in for a second. We're not talking about a small dip here. $2.1 billion in market value just gone, vanished. That $127 million in promised savings, it's a rounding error compared to the value that was destroyed. So after a disaster like that, you know what comes next? The lawsuits. And look at this list. Notice how it maps perfectly back to the 4 paths we just talked about. You've got securities fraud for misleading investors and shareholder lawsuits that are specifically alleging a failure of oversight by the board. And this slide right here is the punchline. This is where it gets incredibly personal. When it was time to settle, The insurance company actually denied coverage for some of the directors. The final deal required them to pay $4.7 million out of their own pockets. A corporate problem just became a personal financial nightmare.
This case study just perfectly highlights the core message from the report. The game has totally changed. For leaders, the consequences of a failed AI strategy are no longer just business as usual.
The research is crystal clear on this point. When a company looks at AI as just a way to cut headcount, they consistently, systematically fail to see the huge downstream costs, everything from operational chaos to the kind of lawsuits that go right through the company and target leaders personally. And that brings us to the final, and I think most important question. It's one you should probably take back to your own organization. When your board talks about AI, is the conversation only about the upside? Or are you also asking the really tough questions about the operational, the financial, and now the very, very personal risks? That's all for this explainer. The insights we shared today come from that in-depth report on the hidden costs of AI by Virtualization Options LLC. Thanks so much for joining us.